welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just showing you on how I properly detangle my hair after wearing braids. So whenever detangling your hair, you want to make sure that you're using a wide tooth comb. You always want to make sure that you start at the very ends of the hair and work your way up to the roots of the hair. Make sure you section your hair into 4s or even smaller. You'll see in the video that I'm sectioning my hair off in smaller sections just because my hair is so thick. Also ladies, tips. It's better to detangle the hair when it's dry. It's easier to break when the hair is actually wet, so definitely make sure that you are detangling your hair when it's dry in sections. If you prefer to use a detangler and spray, then just make sure that you lightly mist the hair, and then again make sure that you start at the bottom of the hair and work your way up to the roots. Also, quick tip, make sure you all subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notification bells to be notified on all my videos. Bye dolls! Hey dolls, enjoying the video so far? Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel as well as clicking the notification bell to be notified of all my many videos that I love to post. Make sure you also comment down below on any questions that you may have on any video. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so that is how I detangle my hair. This is what it looks like. For me to wash. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you all subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you all later. Bye.
You can leave your worries. Listen to the way you say you wanna get so high.